As we know, the lockdown period is very difficult to be on the ground for the everyone, and but still our boxers of Goa are doing good on the field by training their individual itself. You can see the Sairacho video. He's doing good, but he needs to lots to be improvement. What I saw in the round that he very less right punches is throwing. All right, and most of the rides are like around from the full round 10 and 10, more than 10 punches are shorter than short punches, like not fully stretch and not good strength and not a good reach also. So better he improve in that. And what I suggest, he must work on the strength of the punches and don't throw the single punches. The single attack doesn't work. Now these days the boxing has been changed, and they had to, I always prefer all my boxers, even in my national camps, that boxers should go for double attack. Double attack is the advantage for the boxers because the opponent is not ready always. The single attack he is ready, but in a double attack it helps them to score more scoring punches. And you can see that Pushkar video, he's doing very well. I know he's come from a long break. After a long, he's doing. But what I saw in the video, he can do much better than he's in good. But first of all, I would like to tell him that he use a good surface for training, because safety is must, and we don't want any injuries to any of our boxers, because our plan is for the preparation national games preparation. And I would like to give him some little bit tips, like he should work on his endurance and well as on the strength of his body. And while practicing, he should go for the good body movements and fainting movements. And after fainting, he should go for throwing punches and don't use single punches. What I suggest for everyone, don't use single punches. Now the single punches are not used in the boxing. Like if you use single punches and if it goes and on a target, but scoring, whatever the judges see, they doesn't give score. But we for now we prefer like combination of punches that can help the boxers to score also, and will help to win the bout also.